So I realize that I have rug and custom-made draperies, then my pets, he's urinating on it. The smell, it's really bad. I cannot take it anymore. And I would like to find a company. I want a company that's come over and remove the odor. Just the odor. The item, it's clean. Nobody going on my dining room. Once a year or twice a year, we're going to the dining room. Christmas, Thanksgiving, that's it. Nobody's using the rug. So the rug is clean. But it smells close to the window. It smells so bad because my cat and my dog find that it's a very attractive area and they pee on it and it drives me crazy and I just want to bite my dog. What kind of service I should search on Google? Shall I search carpet cleaning? Maybe. Shall I search urine odor removal from Oriental rug? It's much better because this is what you're looking for. You're looking for the odor. I need the service, I need a special service to remove urine odor. This is the only things what I'm looking for. So let me tell you about my company. My name is Mayor Martin. I invented a cleaning product, a cleaning service, a company by the name PetPeePee. Everybody take a smile when you hear the name. However, this is the name that you're looking because this is the only things what I do and this is the only things what you're looking right now. Removing the pee-pee odor. Because the pee-pee odor belongs to the dog or the cat. So it's PetPeePee. Rated R in trademark in Washington. New word in the dictionary. Then I came off with this word. So now, I invented this cleaning product and this cleaning process machine that's blended minerals that's clean your rug from the urine crystal that cause the bad odor. And what is my guarantee? Very simple. 100% guarantee in writing. In writing. Urine odor removal completely, permanently, whatever you want. It's mean upon delivery, put your nose on the drapery, on your Oriental rug. You will smell fiber. If the fiber have a glue smell, you will smell the glue of the fiber. If the fiber is wool, you smell wool. If the fiber is silk, you smell silk. Silk don't have any odor. This is what I deliver to my customers. I remove the urine odor, the urine crystal completely forever, without depositing any unpleasant smell such as vanilla, strawberry, Chanel 5, Estee Lauder, whatever, all this crap. I never deposit. I hate deodorize. Because 99.9% of the deodorize in this world made with chemicals, from the petroleum industry. So those chemicals is not healthy to our body. So why do I have to put it on it? Why do I have to use it and smell it? PetPeePee. When you search on Google, search drapery, urine odor removal. Oriental rug, urine odor removal. You don't need Oriental rug cleaning when your dog pee on the rug. By the way, in a process of removing the urine odor, in a process to remove the urine odor, we clean the Oriental rug from the dirt and soil. This is an easy part. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. The only one, guarantee, in writing, urine odor removal. Doo-doo. Thank you.